In this video, you'll learn 4 key steps that you'll need to take in order to turn complete strangers into promoters that drive more business your way. And at the end of this video, you'll also get a really exciting, awesome bonus. But before we get started, please subscribe to our YouTube channel here. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you're notified every time we push out another helpful video. All right, let's rock and roll. 4 key steps that you can take to turn strangers into promoters. The first key is to attract. This is where a complete stranger that we've never met or interacted with finds us through a blog post on your website or is searching for something on, let's say, Google and finds your website, or may even be on social media and sees an attractive post that you've made. They then engage and become a visitor of your content. They've essentially gone from stranger to visitor in the attract stage. This leads to a second key, convert. This is where you take your visitor and convert them into a lead through information capturing forms on your website, let's say, through call to actions that you might have perhaps on social media. And then they engage with it and you now have their contact information. They may even call you to convert from a visitor to now being a lead. A lead is the halfway mark in this awesome sales cycle and ready for the big push to close the big deal. Close is the third key and is super exciting. They all are exciting, but let's face it, closing the deal is always awesome. Cha-ching, let's make money. You'll take the leads that you've generated, now plug them into a CRM or a proposal engine that will allow you to keep in touch. Follow and market the solutions to their problems and deliver the value they need in order to convert into a paying customer. You see, now that they're a customer, you can now enter the fourth key, which is delight. Delightful. Nurture your customers by delivering value. Get them to fill out, let's say, survey forms, tag them in social media posts, make them feel truly special and valued, and continue to do what they want most, to be appreciated by your delightful company. You can be assured that they'll become some of your best salespeople, or what we call promoters. Hope this helps you understand more about how to turn complete strangers into promoters for your business. And as promised, the special bonus that we have is a 14-day free trial to the best proposal engine CRM tool to be sure you're delivering professional proposals that are converting at high levels. Click the link below to Paveman Pro and let's get you started. It's in the pinned comments below. Please feel free to ask us any questions that you may have in the comments below, and we'll do our very best to answer and help out. All the best to you this year, and let's crush it.